Before we start, what we need? We need some valid information like a valid name, a valid date of birth, a valid email address, a valid phone number, and a password. If you're ready, let's move on. Open your browser and write down on address bar appleid.apple.com. Press enter from keyboard. So now, as you can see on the top, sign in, create your Apple ID, and fact. In the middle is a create Apple ID. Click over here. So now we need to fill up this form. Here is first name, last name, country. You can click is the arrow button here, then you can get all country. So choose your country, birthday, and email address. This email address will be your Apple ID. Make sure it's valid email address because they send you now verification code on your email. You have to verify your email and create a password. So very important, when create a password, I recommend you have to make a strong password. How you can do is uppercase, lowercase, number, special sign, all together mix minimum 8 character. So re-enter password for confirm. Now scroll down and here need to phone number. Need a valid phone number because they're gonna send you on your phone is phone verification code. So you have to check and verify your phone number. So make sure is valid phone number. Which country phone number, choose from here, and phone number. When you use other device and use the browser, they're gonna send you on this phone is text message or verification code for verify. So that's why I need a valid phone number. And this making uncheck because I don't need those. And here what character you can see, you same character you can put over here. If doesn't match this code, try again. Now I am going to fill it up. So when you complete all option, then you have to click continue. Now check your email. They sent 6-digit verification code. So enter here the code for verification and then continue. Email verification complete. Now phone verification. Check your phone. They send 6-digit verification code on your phone and enter the code here for verification and then continue. Finally, account creation process is complete. In this page, we can change Apple ID like email address, password, add gender, and many more. Now we need to sign out and sign in for make sure ID and password is working good. Click here sign in button. Enter your Apple ID and password you just created. Remember, all the time when you want to sign in, they send security code. So check your phone, enter the code here. Sign in successful. ID and password working properly. Thanks for watching.